Hi and welcome to Maths Tutorial Sessions channel. In this video, we are required to solve for x. We have 3 to the power x plus 2 is equals to 3 to the power x plus 72. Right, now we need to transpose this 3 to the power x to the left hand side, meaning we will have 3 to the power x plus 2, then this is positive, now it's gonna be negative, minus 3 to the power x is equals to 72. Now we need to separate this 3 to the power x plus 2 into 3 to the power x times 3 to the power 2 minus 3 to the power x is equals to 72. Right, we have a common factor here, or a highest common factor, which is 3 to the power x. Then this side we are left with 3 to the power 2. Then here we have 1, which is equals to 72. Right, then 3 to the power x, 3 to the power 2, there is 9, 9 minus 1, there is 8, is equals to 72. Now, what we need to do is that we need to divide both sides by 8. Therefore, on the left hand side, we have 3 to the power x is equals to 72 divided by 8. There is 9. Right. Now we have 3 to the power x is equals to, we need to write 9 exponentially and with 3 as a base. We have 3 to the power 2. Right, bases are the same now. We need to equate the exponents. Therefore, x is equals to positive 2. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to Math Tutorial Sessions YouTube channel and also click the bell in order to get a notification whenever we upload a new video. Goodbye.